'69 Talladega, '40 Ford Stalker. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to start going a little bit quick through this back lot here, just pulling it around. I know you want to see everything. That's why you really have to come to spring Carlisle and fall Carlisle. You see some of these setups here. So you'll get all this weird stuff. There's the 66 Stutz. That one I want, but I don't have the money for it. It's like $150, $200, right around there. If you guys have one reasonable, keep me informed. I would definitely want to pick it up. Throw the Hardy Model T, Donnie Allison, Royal Pontiac 66 GTO. Cool. Tony Nancy Hall of Fame dragsters. Wow. This is Myers Manx. '69 Corvair, Newman Haas. I mean, you could just keep going. Look at the Aurora kit over there. Talbot Lago. Ah, that's going to pull everything out. Let's see. You've got the Revell pickup truck there. I like that. With the motorcycle and police officer. Blue Printer Monkey Mobile. A Skoda favorite. I know you guys have been looking for that Skoda favorite for so long. MG Bullet customized kit from Aurora. Oh my gosh. Jeez. That is beautiful. I'm glad I dug down. That is neat. Let's see what other good stuff there while I'm putting this stuff back up. Yep, stay there. Oh gosh. Of course, we got our Japanese over there. I'm not sure what that is. I can't quite reach because there's stuff ahead of me. Getting into Chrysler. Weird-oh Davy. Weird-ohs are funny. This one I can reach. Remember those? Fantastic stuff, huh? A Thames drag panel. Wow. Attempted record. Of course, Beatnik Bandit. Miss Steel Funny Car. Jeb Allen's Praying Mantis. TF Dragster. The Gremlin X. This is amazing. All of these kits, so little money. Police van, Challenger, vintage police car. Great stuff. Tamika, look at that Porsche. Oof, that's the Carrera GT. I probably couldn't even afford the model, let alone the original. And we got tons of parts over here. This will drive you all nuts, especially you, Butch. Look at these nomads just sitting here. I gotta see if there's ramblers because I know Butch, you're crazy nuts about ramblers. Look at that thing. Jeez. Corvairs. Chrysler Newport. Look at that Model T with the T-Bird. This is so much fun. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a ball. Check that out. The Continental, where you could build it into a station wagon. 3-in-1 convertible customizing kit. The Mini over there. Oh, this is great. Want a Hulk? Fantastic. Some big rigs. John Force, there you go. Porsche Diesel Jr. Penske Matador. Oh, there's your Rambler. From Mopar. Dodge Dart. That is so cool. That is so cool. 350Z. And then of course we've got our oh, my mind just went blank. I can't believe I cannot think. Oh gosh. Well, I'm going to end it here, folks. Promos, thank you. Duh. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at 2022 Spring Carlisle. More cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, remember, post and share your events. And if you like this video, make sure you share with your friends and, of course, subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.